Retrieve means to get something back. Example: I forgot my phone, but I went back to retrieve it. Despite means even though. Example: despite the rain, she finished the race. Encounter means to meet unexpectedly. Example: on my hike, I encountered a deer. Patch means to fix something. Example: he patched the hole in his balloon. Suppress means to stop something from coming out. Example: she tried to suppress her laughter in class. Summon means to call someone. Example: the king summoned his servant with a ring of the bell. Obliterate means to completely destroy. Example: the wave obliterated the sandcastle. Misplace means to put something in the wrong place. Example: he misplaced his glasses, but they were on his head. Soar means to fly or rise high. Example: the eagle soared in the sky. Compress mean to press or squeeze something into a smaller space or make it more compact. Example: I had to compress my clothes to fit everything into my small suitcase.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.